Yes,
I beg to mention item 26 of chapter 3.
yes.
In terms of the court order, we have filed the affidavit today. The line of is appearing for this. Let me
You are
consider
for respondent number 1.
one.
It is submitted that the respondent number 1 has filed an affidavit today.
Right.
Same is not on record. Accordingly, matter stands adjourned and be listed after vacation.
Public.
May I please? Sir, I beg to mention item number 18, my lord. I need to please some instruction, my lord, sir. After vacation, my lord. Item 18.
You are for petitioner. What is this?
Whether the madam complied or not, my lord. I could not contact with the client, my lord.
Which is the department here?
PWD, my lord.
On the prayer of the learned counsel for the petitioner, matter stands adjourned and be listed after vacation. Yes,
So with
board.
the consent of the respondent, my means item number 2. Better we taken after vacation. In the meantime, I will get the instruction.
Okay. You are for the
The petition.
petitioner. On the prayer of the learned counsel for the petitioner, matter stands adjourned and be listed after vacation.
Problem.
My lord, if item number 8, my lord, has become infructuous, I have received written instructions not to press the matter, my lord.
Huh?
I have received written instructions not to press the matter.
Okay. You are Mr.
Eighth,
A. Sandila, learned counsel submits that he has instructions from his client not to press this writ petition. Full stop. Accordingly, matter stands closed, being not pressed.
Please, your lordship. Lordship, I beg to mention item number 11. Lordship, I have taken consent from the respondent side. Lordship, the matter may be fixed after vacation.
On the prayer of the learned counsel for the petitioner, matter stands adjourned and be listed after vacation.
Obliged.
There was a second bail application, lordship. Second bail application on the ground that co-accused is granted bail by this honorable court.
This is the driver.
No, lordship. Initially, the two contrabands were recovered from 2 persons from a different hotel. They stated that 2 persons are there in another hotel, lordship. Accordingly, this petitioner and the person who was granted bail, they were apprehended, lordship, on the basis of the statement of those accused persons. Nothing
Anything
was
recovered from your?
No, nothing was
Same, similar
Similar putting on same putting.
I have granted the recent bill.
Yes, yes.
Where is that order?
Page 86.
Yes, what you say?
Today we are filing objection, lords.
File objection.
On
It
third,
is-
lordship.
It is submitted by you are for DRI or
Chief,
Huh?
here I lords.
DRI. Learned
Yes,
Standing Council for DRI submits that an affidavit is being filed during the course of the day. In view of the aforesaid, matter stands adjourned and be listed on third. Yes,
Your lordship, kindly see the last order dated 13th
we have seen
September.
that. Yes.
Payment has been made.
Yes, what is your instruction? He said payment has been made.
But lordship, there is a thing that he has given a power of attorney to one Omar Hakim Mullah. He have taken that 35 lakhs of rupees, lordship.
So according to you, you have transferred the money to his power of attorney.
Yes, lordship.
Yes,
Still, we have not received any.
we do not know. We cannot go to all those disputes. You have your instruction. Learned counsel, standing counsel for the water resource department submits that the payment due to the petitioner has been made, has already been made to his power of attorney holder, namely, what is his name?
Omar Hakim Mullah.
Omar Hakim Mullah. At this stage, learned counsel for the petitioner seeks some time to obtain complete her instruction. Prior accordingly, matter stands adjourned and be listed after vacation. 18 here. Okay.
Kindly carry the order date 16/8/24. Thereafter, I appeared before the.
My instruction said he had not appeared. My instruction said he has not appeared, that's the law.
Yes. What is your instruction?
That they have appeared, Lordship, but
My instruction is not appeared. But
To file an
Okay.
affidavit.
lordship,
Uh, It is submitted by Mr. S.S. Roy, learned counsel representing the district commissioner Tinsukia that pursuant, that the petitioner has not appeared before it pursuant to this court's order dated 16/8/2024. Full stop. Yes, what is your stand? We'll record that he has appeared, then you file an affidavit, both of you.
Lordship, I will take instruction.
Okay, the learned counsel for the petitioner press for some time to obtain instruction. Here is allowed, please this matter after vacation.
May it please the Lordship.
Yes.
The petitioner before Lordships in challenging the against the illegal and arbitrary detention on arrest on 27/10/2020.
Yes, why
The
this
whole
matter
the-
is listed in,
And today for dispute.
To file an affidavit, I file on behalf of the reference number 7.
when have you filed?
I have filed on, my lord, 24.
24.
my lord.
Is it here? Okay, that is there. Okay, we'll take up in the admission column. After vacation or before vacation?
Eight, so for the 8 is concerned, neither he has filed.
Who is eight?
Service report is there. 8 is the, inspector, sub-inspector, my lord.
You are the officer.
I am the investigating officer.
Sub-divisional police
Earlier this,
officer.
Anybody
SDPO.
appears for that person?
nobody has appeared, I
Oh,
think.
forget about him, nobody is there. When? Before vacation or after
Before
vacation?
vacation, man.
After vacation, okay.
Fix a date, man.
Difficult because on fixed date you did not appear, we dismiss it for default.
No,
Isn't it? This matter was earlier dismissed for default. We have restored it, isn't it?
No,
Why not?
one day, my lord, I'm a legs in another court by junior, but there is no dismiss, my lord.
Okay.
That's if your lordship is stated, none appears by, I am already.
This is item number 20.
20.
Okay. Mr. P. Bora, learned counsel appearing on behalf of respondent number 7, submits that he has already filed an affidavit. Full stop. Accordingly, let this matter be listed in the admission column immediately after reopening of the vacation.
March.
21.
Yes.
May I please your lordship?
Mm.
Lordship, an application under order 9, rule 4 for
Mhm.
restoration of the
What order 9 rule 4 for repetition?
restoration law.
Huh? From when CPC is made applicable in repetitions? Yes, tell us, what is this? When it was dismissed?
Lordship, lordship will kindly see at page, paragraph 4, lordship. At paragraph 4, page number 5, lordship. That on 26/2/2020, lordship. That the matter was called for due to non-appearance of the another learned engaged counsel, lordship. The earlier counsel did not appear. And in annexer 1, at page 9, the order annex, lordship,
You have not taken steps.
lordship.
Hmm?
But earlier counsel did not appear, hence the writ
What
petition
is
was
the order under challenge?
lordship for restoration. This
No,
application,
restoration we understand. What is the subject matter of the repetition?
lordship, the land grabbing case, lordship,
Liability under civil or criminal?
civil, lordship.
Then how a repetition is maintainable?
So against that land grabbing case 5/2019, which was passed by the learned additional district.
No,
judge,
we
Nagaon,
understand no appellate tribunal is there.
lordship.
But there are judgments of coordinate base which says that it will have to be a revision petition
Lordship,
under 227.
lordship, the writ petition was filed by the earlier council. So, lordship, the matter may be restored, lordship.
You are held as the land grabber.
Lordship, The petitioners were the respondents in the land grabbing case, Lordship. The allegation was that they
Now position is it with whom?
now under the position of the petitioners, Lordship. But the land grabbing case, Lordship, the
Who is
honorable
for the respondents?
respondents, Lordship, here. The petitioners were the respondent in the land grabbing
No,
case.
no, understand. What is
who are the respondents in this case?
This case, Lordship, here the respondents, Lordship.
Where are item numbers?
Item number 21, Lordship.
Heard. Mr. Sarkar, Learned Counsel for the petitioner. This is an application for recalling of order dated 26/2/2020 passed in WPC 7053 of 2019, by which the said writ petition was dismissed for non-prosecution. Issue notice returnable after 4 weeks. Petitioner to take steps for issuance of notice upon so and so. Highly obliged, Lordship. Yes.
Lordship, we could not get the proper address of respondent number 6.
Who
Kindly
is
3
respondent
days
number
time
6?
maybe.
What is the issue and who is respondent number 6? Tell us.
Lordship, respondent number 6 is Sanwar Ali, the shopkeeper of Fair Price shop.
Forget about him. Yes.
Yet to receive
Have the instruction.
yet to receive our instruction, Lordship.
I do not think that respondent is necessary. You just obtain the instruction according to the petitioner. Her husband expired.
Okay.
Name was in her husband's name. That has she has completed everything that has not been issued in her name. That's all.
Whether it has been issued or not.
Yes, yes.
What?
Though service in respect of respondent number
6.
6 is not yet complete. However, the nature of grievance raised in this writ petition, this court is of the opinion that the learned state council shall complete their instruction and if necessary file an affidavit, more particularly answering the allegation of the petitioner that family identity card within bracket FIC after date of the husband of the petitioner has not been issued in the name of the petitioner, though proper application has been made. The proper application has been made. So far, which area?
It's in
So it is her case that the petitioner's deceased husband Samsul Haq Sikdar was having the registration number 1463741 under the Food and Civil Supplies Department. First of all, accordingly, let the instruction be placed on the next date fix. Place this matter on when
After vacation.
after puja give a date. This matter should not be kept pending. If sub
I get
I-
that. It has become
in process, that's what that's it. 4th of November.
23.
Are agreeable, state of Assam would be an issue, just a, for state of Assam,
For the state of Assam.
anyway.
Lord, meet his lordship, we were directed as per the order dated 11th of September to file a rejoinder in the affidavit filed by state of Tamil Nadu lordship. Lordship, 3 weeks time may be required.
What is the issue here?
The issue is Joymala Bay elephant. Now,
Okay.
my lord is familiar with the controversy.
Uh,
Now, my lord, so far as the state of Assam is concerned, in their writ petition, their prayer was recall of Joymala. Joymala, writ of mandamus, Joymala be returned to Assam. So far as the state of Tamil Nadu is concerned, my lord, I am appealing for Tamil Nadu government.
Mm.
They filed their affidavit. They have taken a categorical stand. They will not return the Joymala.
Mm.
Be that as it may, Mr. Chaudhary came with a very good middle solution. A specially empowered committee constituted by the Supreme Court in respect of captive elephants. So that a specially empowered committee is there. Mr. Chaudhary desired that let the matter be referred to the specially empowered committee. A specially empowered committee is the word there. Anyway, it's okay. I'll praise the judgment. So let it be referred to the committee. So court wanted, my lord, the opinion of the state of Tamil Nadu as to whether it is willing. My lord, we are willing. PETA, for which Mr. Chaudhary appears, is willing. But state of Assam seems not willing. So therefore, my lord, certainly
Why?
we are not on the same page.
Sometime may be granted because we have community.
Where is the elephant now?
It's in Tamil Nadu, Lordship, and we want it back, Lordship. And Lordship, sometime may be granted because we
No,
have
no, sometimes we'll give, who is the owner of this elephant?
person from Assam, Lordship.
Uh-huh.
A person from Assam.
Who is that person?
Lordship,
Mr. Moran,
Moran, Lordship.
he is respondent number
Who
six.
files this,
six,
who
seven,
files this
Lordship.
litigation?
7, Girin Moran, Lordship.
Now, state want it back.
Yes, Lordship.
Now that who sold it or transferred it?
Green Moran.
You are Green Moran.
No, no, Lordship, I am for responded by that NGO.
My lord, since we have filed affidavit, I know the facts. It was
No, just for
gifted,
understanding.
it was gifted by Mr. Moran to the temple authorities.
Okay, in temple.
By
sir.
gift deed, by gift deed.
Now, this writ petition is filed by state of Assam against state of Tamil Nadu.
Yes.
What is your ground for?
Keeping the elephant properly, Lordship. They're torturing the elephant. That's why we want it back, Lordship. That is a matter, Lordship.
We have annexed the health status report. The experts have looked into it.
Now you want to file a
Allegations are not
rejoinder.
correct.
Yes, Lordship. We want to finally rejoin.
When will you fix the date?
Lordship, 3 weeks may be granted, Lordship. We have communicated with the department, but the department wants 3 weeks time, Lordship. to
But,
get the-
but the every day you are taking time. Suppose we allow this writ petition, the elephant is suffering.
Lordship, we want it back, Lordship. We have filed.
Therefore,
we have filed
therefore,
the petition
why you
in
want, why you,
2022, Lordship.
please tell us, why you want it back? Because the elephant is suffering. Your adjournment will create more sufferings too. We want to allow your writ petition today itself, suppose.
Lordship, we wanted it back, Lordship.
That's why,
Yes,
if you
Lordship.
delay filing a reply 3 weeks, suppose assume for a moment that we are allowing this writ petition. The elephant is suffering as on date.
If Lordship allows it, Lordship, then we won't file the affidavit in
No,
opposition.
therefore,
Yes, Lordship.
therefore, if you want time, take time. Take us early as that because elephant is suffering.
After vacations, Lordship.
So give a date.
Lordship, then.
Because it is your case that elephant is
Lordship.
suffering.
Lordship on 22nd of October. Lordship,
22nd of October.
Tuesday, Lordship.
Just,
right
just,
after vacation.
please,
Okay,
please, let me, I may have a difficulty.
Okay.
So kindly, 22nd October, yes, I'll be here. 22nd October, I'll be here. My lord, since my lord was curious, only one thing, I'll just show something. Page 224. That would be the difficulty. They will not be able to overcome.
220.
4. Madras High Court was approached. And Madras High Court took an undertaking from the state that the elephant will not be given to Assam. It is part of the judicial order of Madras High Court.
220.
224, our affidavit, state of Tamil Nadu. Joymala's name is
This writ petition was filed by?
filed by my lord, the people, all 9 temple elephants, temple authorities. Joymala is number 7. An undertaking was taken from the state, part of judicial order. Para 3, page 226.
Okay, on 22nd.
Very well. They won't be able to. On 21, okay, comes in.
Yes.
I agree.
Instruction.
Lordship, in this matter, the instructions and all, if any, are all with Council B. Gogoi. He's on legs in court number 4. Lordship, subject to your subject to your Lordship's convenience, can this matter be taken up immediately after vacations? Today, it might not be possible, Lordship.
The long pending matter, my lord, the division bench order, my lord, to without any delay for making payment of page 2021. 21, the relevant person.
Okay, we are taking up on third. What is the instruction? Let us
Lordship,
understand.
Lordship.
It is
I'll-
submitted that though instructions are received and on the prayer of Mr. B. Gogoi, matters stands adjourned and be listed on
Third, Lordship.
third, and his full stop on the side that he shall complete his instruction in terms of discourse earlier order dated 22/8/2024 and 18/9/2024.
Much obliged, Lordship.
Typographical error
Yes,
in the
Lordship.
order,
In WPC number,
in the order or in the,
in the
it is,
repetition, Lordship.
mistake is of whom?
Is page number 3 and 21 of the writ petition. Instead of secretary, it is wrongly written as resident, Lordship.
Page,
3 and 21 writ petition.
writ petition. What is the writ petition about?
Actually, writ petition, Lordship, NIT was issued for the settlement of 60% fishery.
Where have you stated the defects? Which paragraph?
Page number 3, Lordship.
In IA?
No, Lordship, writ petition.
No, in the IA, where have you stated what are the things to be corrected?
In page number 3, Lordship,
Page number 3?
and page number 4, Lordship.
No, page number 3 of the IA is the cost title.
Page number 7, Lordship, paragraph 3,
Paragraph 3, okay.
3 and 4.
The present application is filed for correction of typographical error in the, just write it down, pencil mark, cost title at page 3 of the accompanying writ petition to the effect that the it is the case of the petitioner that there is a defect in the cost title of the connected writ petition at page number 3, comma, and that, not comma, and that instead of, within inverted comma, represented by its president, Sri Maharaj Das, the said sentence should have been typed as, within inverted comma, its secretary, Sri Maharaj Das. Full stop. Another typographical error
Paragraph
is at page
21.
21. And in the said paragraph, it was written as represented by its president Sri Maharaja Das and should have been represented by its secretary Maharaja Das. Full stop. It is submitted that such defect, such typographical error is inadvertent. Full stop. Yes.
Lordship, I would request that a copy be provided to us.
Which copy?
Correspondent number 6, this particular IA, Lordship, we have not received. One.
No, are you having any objection to this?
No, ma'am.
Then what copy?
But we have sent, Lord.
Give a
I
copy.
have given.
Full stop. Peruse the pleadings as well as consider the submission of the parties, considering the nature of error, the present application stand allowed, and the petitioner is allowed to correct the corresponding pages in terms as prayed for. Full stop. Who will serve a copy? Okay. The corrected copy of the petitions be served upon the respondents, or corrected copy of the writ petition be served upon the respondents, along with a copy in the registry, so that the necessary corrections can be made. Yes.
May I please, Your Lordship?
Mm.
My lord, issue involved in this petition is agricultural compensation
Mm.
due to the killing of innocent person by the CRPF.
Mm.
During the
Assam.
pendency of this petition,
Yes,
Already paid the compensation.
paid.
State paid lot.
state amount
11
has been paid, my lord.
And then,
But last time, central government directed obtain instruction whether there is a central scheme or not, my lord. Only this issue, my lord. Otherwise, it has become inflexible.
As far as central government was instructions, he is not entitled for disaster management.
uh-huh.
He is not entitled.
Hmm.
He cannot claim.
This was a police firing.
No.
CRPF.
Yeah, Assam Rifle.
Assam
Corps.
Rifles.
I for firing, then
Fine. The State government has paid them.
Assam records.
State has paid.
And petitioner has come for
Compensation from both the,
not from both, only deceased.
it has been paid.
okay, then if once paid, you approach the appropriate forum if you still think agree.
My lord.
Full stop. The present writ petition is filed. With a prayer to issue a direction to the Deputy Commissioner, Sonitpur, to pay the petitioner ex gratia compensation to pay ex gratia compensation to the petitioner and the family of the deceased, namely
Pompi Das.
Pompi Das. No, who died?
Right, my lord. Her husband, my lord.
Dibbojyoti Das.
Dibbojyoti Das.
Due to date of Sri
Babu Das.
Dibbojyoti Das alias Babu Das, who was killed in a firing by Assam Rifles. Full stop. It is
Only one person.
one person. Huh?
One person.
It is submitted by Mr. S.S. Rai that the petitioner has already been, the family of the deceased has already been paying the compensation in terms of extent policy of the government for payment of ex gratia amounting to rupees
5 lakhs
5 lakhs. Full stop.
from the state government.
State government, full
Right.
stop. Full stop. It is submitted by the learned CGSC that there is no scheme for payment of such compensation by the armed forces when the amount has already been paid by the state government. At this state, the learned council submits that he may be granted liberty to approach appropriate forum for claiming the damages and compensations from the respondent, Union of India as well as the state. Full stop. Prayer is allowed accordingly. This writ petition stands closed. That will be tortious liability. You'll have to establish what should be income, what not. Compensation has been under civil law, the 5 lakh is been.
Highly obliged, Your Lordship.
There was a direction for carrying out joint measurements, madam. And that has been done, which is appearing from the order dated 28/4.
28/4.
2023. A time was taken to file an affidavit, madam. The affidavit has not come till date, madam.
Order dated
28/4/2023. 28/4/2023.
28.
28/04/2023.
Just a minute. 2804. Okay.
May I please, Your Lordship?
Hmm.
The instruction not received. It is not very-
This construction of road is not it?
There's some land has gone from my land.
So
So
it
joint measurement was directed to be.
it was
carried out.
done.
It was done. Now the affidavit is not coming.
Who will file this affidavit? Who has done this? Huh?
PWD, madam.
PWD might be with the, yes. It is submitted by Mr. Decca, Learned Council, that in terms of the sports order dated 28/4/2023, a joint measurement has already been conducted. However, no affidavit has been filed bringing on record the said report Full stop. This court is also of the opinion that in view of the nature of claim made by the petitioner, the joint verification was directed by this court under its order dated 28/4/2023.
No, 28/1/2021.
28/1/2021. 28/1, and same will be necessary for determination of this present writ petition, inasmuch as it is the claim of the petitioner that petitioner's land has been taken by PWD for construction of road without paying any compensation and paying any compensation. So give us that. If it is, then we'll ask you to pay compensation. That's all.
Limited thing.
Limited. If he is aggrieved, then he'll go to the referral court. That is a different part.
No proceeding has been initiated under
Yeah.
the act. That is the difficulty.
Yes, list this matter on. Give a date. Madam, give a date.
After vacation.
4th of November. You have almost more than a month. You do it complete it. Yes. What is the affidavit says?
The affidavit says that the electricity department is responsible. Lordship, page 32, Lordship.
Page
Page 32. It is the affidavit filed by the inspector, Lordship, chief electrical
page
inspector.
32.
32.
Just a
Cases
minute.
leading to accident and contravention. Clause 12. Subclause had appropriate safety preventive measures been taken and had there been regular and proper checking of the line by the owner.
Yes, APDCL.
My lord, may dispose of the matter accordingly, but liberty may be given.
That we have passed an order, earlier order. Where is that judgment? I have passed an order with a liberty to prefer an appeal. I have quoted that order. Who did taken it? It's exactly, it will be same. Ask Mr. Pathak
Fine.
and give the order. We'll upload it tomorrow. Dispose of. Huh? That amount of 5 lakhs, is that it?
4 lakhs, my lord.
4 lakhs that they will pay, and rest you can
Go
approach
to the civil court.
civil court,
As per the
and
notification.
they prefer appeal in terms of that is up to them.
Lordship.
It's also passed in order, my lord.
Just ask Mr. Pathak. I have passed an order. If he can recall it, we'll try to have it. You can give it, give that order also. But in that, in my order, I have quoted all the provisions. That's why I wanted to have the cinema pass also. Okay, we'll see this also. We'll try to find out.
No.
Dispose of, but we'll get the order not tomorrow. We'll have to find it. Yes.
Obliged.
What about 5? What is the stand?
Same, my lord.
Same.
Maybe dispose of, my lord.
Dispose of. But I need the order. Pass by me.
I will try.
5.
Matter, item number 6 is same, my lord.
Same 6. Then.
My lord, in item number 6, we have not received the affidavit, my lord, filed by the chief electrical.
Okay. Don't dispose of item number 6. It is submitted by the learned counsel for the APDCL that they have not received the copy of the affidavit filed by the electrical inspector. Senior electrical inspector. First of all, who will give a copy to him? MS Bora submits that she will furnish a copy to the learned counsel for the APDCL. Accordingly, matter stands adjourned and be listed on 4th. Number 6 on 4th.
On 4.
This matter should not be. Yes. 4 and 5 dispose of.
4th of November, my lord.
October.
4th of October.
October.
You go through the copy.
Yes, we
If
have-
you want that, no, we have dispute or whatsoever, then we'll of course give you time.
My
Okay.
I will serve the copy, my lord.
6 I fixed on 4th of October. 4 and 5 dispose of. 6 I have fixed. Okay. 4 I have.
My lord, I have the copy. I will serve him.
You have the copy. You start to.
My name is recorded as
Okay.
S. Borua. S. Borua.
What I have dictated.
S. Bora.
Okay. Oh, sorry.
7.
Yes.
The health department has filed an affidavit.
Hmm.
So in terms of that affidavit, this matter can be disposed of, your lordship.
Where is that affidavit?
The affidavit is on.
Which paragraph?
Paragraph is page 87.
Paragraph 6.
Yes, subpara. Their entire dispute was that we have done our class 12 from Urdu University, Urdu Education Board. So that was under challenge. The Delhi High Court has stayed it.
Okay, hard. Mr. Sin, Learned Counsel for the petition. How many petitions? One.
Petition 4 petitioners.
4 petitions.
Lordship, if I may, is your lordship disposing of this matter? Lordship, if possible, lordship, can this matter be taken up immediately after this? Some argument might be necessary.
No, they are saying that in terms of in this writ petition, they say that the Advocate General has appointed the registration of candidates from SSC under Ministry of Education Board, Urdu Education Board, with a condition that their registration will be subject to outcome of so and so, so and so.
Okay.
So that
Okay.
much only. We'll say that this is the stand. Accordingly, they will reconsider their case and do the needful. We're not saying that you issue them a license.
Okay,
We are not saying that.
then it's okay.
In terms of this, they will have to take a decision, taking note of this then. Or if you want some adjournment, we have no problem. If you want to.
Lordship, adjournment if possible. Probably for the best, lordship.
So I'll just tell your senior that
Lordship.
this proposition is in terms of the decision at page 88.
Page 88, lordship.
Okay, you
Lordship.
said that we'll do it subject to outcome of the Delhi High Court judgment and what is the ministry says, they will keep on track what will happen.
Lordship.
So it will be a temporary registration.
Lordship.
That is, we'll allow.
Okay.
Okay.
Yes, lordship. Yes.
Otherwise also they are suffering. The dispute is not regard with the
Lordship,
licenses.
may list, give a short date. Lordship.
Before vacation?
Before vacation, lordship.
Okay,
Third
you
of
just have the instruction.
Lordship.
On the prayer of the Learned Council for the Standing Council Health, matters stands adjourned and be listed on third. Same, I think. Here is, what is the dispute?
Some of
License has been cancelled.
license were cancelled and they had come before the, they had tried to appeal their decision, but that decision was pending. Because at that time, the pharmacy council was not there.
No.
Now the pharmacy council has been reconstituted.
Hmm.
Accordingly, I believe that there are certain writ petitions which were already disposed of. And I believe that the other council will be able to.
To refer, to send them to the appellate authority. Any order passed in this regard? I have passed some order on
Yes,
the
sir.
basis of division
Okay.
bench order.
Lordship,
Quoting the division bench order, I have passed some order. Are you having the copy? So have you got the decision of the executive committee? No. You want to say exactly similar. You were also writ petitioner in the WPC 3822. Same. You said no altercation is required except the names.
In fact, when we moved before this honorable court,
Hmm.
stay was granted initially because
Hmm.
there is prima facie the court was satisfied there is a violation of natural justice.
Hmm.
So therefore, the interim order has been granted. Of course, at that time, the court also considered that appellate forum is there
Hmm.
to challenge the order. We can also move to the, since the division bench has passed the order, Milo.
No, in WPC 5335, no interim order was granted.
Against that,
You prefer to the division bench.
division bench has
Then division bench said that you go back to the
forum.
appellate forum. Then appellate, then, so you want to say similar order will be there. Exactly. Okay, dispose of. There is no change, na? You are also, this writ petitions, everything is safe. Okay,
Only
dispose of.
date will be, I'll provide the date. of
If
the
there,
hearing.
if one thing, you just correct in this order.
My lord, absolutely.
That will be better,
My lord.
okay? You
Obliged, my lord.
correct in this order and give dispose of.
Obliged.
Mercifully, look.
Please, your lord.
Yes,
Instruction received but not completing. Extra time needed.
what instruction you have received?
I have proceeded.
When can you complete your instruction? They need to file an affidavit.
My lord. Yes.
Because they are saying that yes, agreed, but Mott is creating objection. So if Mott is a party here.
Yeah.
So the moment they files an affidavit, we'll ask the Mott to clarify their stand. At least whatever they admit, will pass a direct order. Okay.
I executed the work under PWD.
Ah.
I didn't know the
We
responsibility,
understand.
but they are saying that they should pay.
So therefore, if Mott is there, let us, otherwise we can send them back. Same will
No,
happen.
that will not.
That will not, sir. The Learned Standing Council has submitted that she has received instruction and may be granted 2 weeks time to file an affidavit. This is enough. Nothing more is required. You file this affidavit. You admit and say that we are ready, but this Mott has objected. Then we'll ask what is their status. Then if they cannot, if it is your contract, that will do. Okay. Accordingly, list this matter. After vacation, November, you take back this.
Deeply obliged.
Second week of November. Yes.
Chief, in this matter, we are awaiting instruction, Your Lordship.
What is the issue here?
The person has been evicted, Your Lordship.
Huh?
The petition has been evicted from the residence.
Um.
We're stating that where she's staying, that's a reserve forest area, Your Lordship. That's why she's
Okay.
been evicted, Your Lordship.
Already evicted.
Already evicted.
What is this? My name is showing here, but I have already returned the brief to the concerned. I'm no more in this particular matter.
No, there is some Ziuddin. Your name is also there. You appeared subsequently or what?
Well, subsequently. And later on, my life, there were some issues. My life. That's why I returned them.
So we will not record, we will dismiss it for default. None appears for the petitioner on call. None represented petitioner when the matter was called on 17/7/2023. Accordingly, Sampson dismissed for non-proceeding.
How like Lord?
Let us see if she comes back,
Very well.
we'll restore it.
And it will kindly remove the last order, my lord, 23/9.
Yes, everything is admitted. Affidavit is filed. Yes,
My lord, I have also filed, but the one copy of the affidavit to be served to me, my lord, responding about this deputy.
how will you repay?
My lord, this is money, whatever is paid to me, this is my money, my lord. I have given specifically everything, my lord. My property also acquired, and that property schedule was made, and accordingly payment was made to my account, and that they.
Have you, he has filed affidavit?
But on the last occasion, my learned senior has said that he will not.
No,
appear
madam,
again.
now
There is
I
an
am
order
appearing.
already. He has-
There is no order. No, order was no.
Okay, we'll take up immediately after vacation.
So I will be out of session till 25th of October, my lord.
Okay, we'll take care of that.
After that, my lord.
After that.
Fact, my lord, there is already a instruction which my learned said that they have sought 30 days time regarding the.
We'll
order.
get
Yes,
to see
yes.
if your thing is admitted. If he is entitled, let them decide with him. We are not here to make exchange that you pay him. We'll see.
Sierra,
They
go
will
back.
give them liberty to whatever way they want to proceed, they will
Yes,
proceed.
Yes, we are-
That's why let him also have a copy. Who will serve him a copy? You serve him a copy of the affidavit.
One copy will be. Possible.
List this matter once again on. No, not 7.
October 30 or 30 is probably holiday, I think.
30th of October.
Possible.
Instruction was sought from, this is the case where police.
My lord, lordship has directed us, my lord. I have not, may I pray, my lord, after
When?
vacation, my lord, after vacation, my lord.
Instead of raising the FIR, they have.
My lord, they,
That the same as a 107.
107 proceeding, my lord, lordship, the forgery, my lord, was.
If case is matter, we'll have to investigate. See, he cannot get it done forensic and all through. Okay.
after
MSU thus learned counsel for the petitioner. Sorry, respondent. Respondent number 1 to 5. You are the accused.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, he has done everything. Well,
No, you are accused. You are not anything. They have there is an accusation. Accused is an accused.
accused, not
He has
convicted.
given an accusation. So that's why you are accused.
The
No,
accused is.
no, it's not a question of proof. Accusation is not a guilt. There is a marked distinction between accusation and guilty.
Guilty.
Accusation is an allegation.
Allegations.
That's all.
After vacation, my lord.
Okay, accordingly. On the prayer of MSU Das learned counsel representing respondent number 1 to 5, matter stands adjourned to obtain her to complete her instruction in terms of discourse earlier ordered dated 9/9/2024. List this matter on after
The month-
1st of
first week of
November.
Simply obliged.
Give a date. 8, no 8, 7, 8, 9, no date. 12th of November. Give a date then.
November 28.
18th of November.
Deeply
You
obliged.
complete
Then
it.
also 18 will be difficult for us.
Why?
So, you also.
The judge is having difficulty on 8.
After 28, any date.
Okay, give a date.
Oh,
As per their convenience. Yes, next case.
20.
32nd.
Plus.
Yes, anything, any development?
Had received the instructions, but we will need the updated instructions because according to this, Lordship, the government had stated that they required some time because they were framing the Assam state mental health.
Very important, but it's
Okay.
all nationally, everybody has advanced except us.
Except us.
And this is very essential.
That's-
Mental health act is very important.
Okay.
That is very.
I have a few submissions.
Huh?
When
No, we are not hearing you today because we are not passing any order.
only a few minutes, only a few. minutes.
What is the purpose? Tell us, then we'll hear you.
The
What is your
purpose
prayer today that we can
what
pass?
one method they should find
We'll do
where I
that.
can
We'll,
send
we'll,
some of my aggrieved clients
Mm.
for treatment. That's all, very small. Until they frame the rules.
this is a very, very difficult thing.
Because people are getting beaten, raped and killed. We really need some remedy. Every night I spend at least 2 to 3 hours counseling the victims. So we need one interim measure where I can send the victims and
very
their
serious
family
issue.
members.
Just I am back from a national conference on this. And if I could not say that, yes, Mr. Gogoi, this matter requires very urgent address. Maybe a temporary notification till the rule comes. I have just back today from a national conference where except Assam and I was even very sorry state of affairs, except Assam, at least from interim things.
I will convey on it.
See, there are many facets of this, not only mental health, then there are minors of mental health, many facets are there. Can we have it on third or fourth?
My,
You just
let it be on third.
Third, you just have the
I have
instruction.
the instruction.
One point where I can send the people.
No, understand, therefore we
refusing
are
treatment.
taking that
The
interim
people
term.
who are refusing treatment, because I have on personal level taken them to the doctor.
No, that we
brought
we
medication,
appreciate.
They're refusing treatment.
We are
So at least
we
one
appreciate.
Point. to
Some
for the citizen.
directions are urgently required.
Lord.
Where will these people go? At
Lord.
least if there can be some interim provisions from your end, just go through the provisions.
Lordship, I will.
Go, and this is having urgent
On third, my lord, I will
all
address.
hard. And just also enlighten us whether we can, by an interim order, we can, or in an administrative side, talking
Yes,
with the
yes.
chief justice, we can nominate
Some-
under the scheme of that, because we also cannot in administration go beyond the scheme of that.
Yes,
Just
there's
address us this.
One more thing I want to say.
Yeah.
So, the Joint Director Health has appointed one point, one psychiatrist is appointed between the district Kamrup and Kamrup Metro, for example. I don't have all the data because it's not uploaded or, it's a long process to even get that data. Because between departments, they are not sharing the data. They do not share what's going on between departments.
No, they will share. This is
So-
not the way. See, they don't take it to be an adversarial litigation.
Okay.
Don't take
I-
it as an adversarial litigation. Assist the court. Mr. Gogoi is also here.
Yeah.
This is just the state's responsibility. State will,
Yes,
we
yes.
expect perform. There may be some gap here and there. So you just complete your instruction
My lord.
on third.
If we can take the victims and the perpetrators there for, taking treatment. Because
No,
they're
that arrangement, see, basically,
arrangement is urgently required.
we can do that, but only thing is that basically primarily some orders are required to be passed by a magistrate who is competent. Now the next question is,
Right.
until the such notification issued, a act cannot be stalled. Who will take that responsibility?
My
Can
lord.
we go for an administrative court or a judicial order by which we can create field of vacuum? That you address both.
Lordship.
Okay. On third.
Much of it.
The prayer of Mr. Gogoi. Yes. 60. Yes, affidavit.
Was 3 weeks time, Lordship.
The learned standing counsel for GST prays for and is granted 3 weeks time, further time to file affidavit in a position. Full stop. List accordingly after 3 weeks. Interim order pass earlier shall continue till the next date of listing.
The copy may be served, Lordship.
Give it.
We have already given extra.
Still
We'll give it, Lordship.
Hello, bless.
Highly obliged, Lordship.
Extra copies within 2 days, Lordship.
Yes. 20. None appears for the petitioner and cause. Please dismiss. Oh, sorry.
Lordship,
Ah.
the matter was disposed of, therefore thereafter review was filed by
ah.
the state. Lordship saying that the Lordship union is required as a respondent.
Our
Lordship.
union is directed to be made parties.
Lordship, we have changed. Lordship, we have amended the memo, Lordship.
Memo submitted.
Lordship.
Now, why this matter is listed today? Any affidavit is required to be filed?
No, Lordship.
What is-
Otherwise, Lordship, on similar matter has already been passed. Lordship, similar matter, Lordship,
What is the issue here?
non-payment of contractual.
Oh, that Jala Shakti.
90% of the fund will come from the Ministry of Jal Shakti, Lordship. Which pertaining to the same work order, different work order.
We have fixed this matter somewhere, sir. Which date? Series of these Jala Shakti matters. We have asked union to clarify their stand. MS Gayon was there.
Yes.
Specifically passed an order where we have asked union to clarify their stand. How much time will take? Because this order will neither here nor there. Because again you will file contempt. They will say we don't have money. Then a contempt we will have to, again you will have to ministry and all. So some writ petitions along with contempts, we have asked Gayon to file affidavit. Please have an information and accordingly we are fixing this matter with that writ petition.
Lordship,
Okay.
Take up after some time, Lordship.
It is the last item. List is over.
Lordship, after vacation on the date, Lordship, by the
Okay,
time,
on the
Lordship,
prayer of the learned council for the parties, list this matter after vacation.
if a date can be fixed, Lordship.
Okay, give a date. If you can give the date, then it's we could have fixed.
Otherwise, Lordship, date, Lordship, I'll give the information.
You gave tomorrow also, we will not pass this order. List this matter on such and such along with so and so. Yes.
Date,